welcome to a tutorial where I'll be showing you how to do an intro in Hitfilm for Express. First you need to download Hitfilm for Express, so go to the website, click Hitfilm for Express and start making movies. You'll be asked to enter your email and they will send you the link so that you can download the software. Once you have downloaded it, open it and it should look something like this, however without these things, because they are recent projects you have worked on. Click New and leave the settings as they are. Click Start Compositing and you'll notice there are several panels which you can use. Go to the Effects tab and search Star Travel. Once you have found it, drag it onto the timeline. You'll notice this looks like an effect from Star Wars. You may want to add a new plane layer behind the star travel effect, but this is not necessary, so I don't usually do it. Now add a new text layer, leave the settings as they are and click OK. Use the text tool and click on the box. You can now type whatever you like. Go to the Text tab and you'll notice that there are several tools just like any other word processor. Type the name of your channel or whatever else you want in the text box. Select the text and change the font size to what you like. I like about 60. Adjust the size of the text box accordingly. I like to make the font bold. Now go to the Transform section of the Controls tab and change the anchor point. You may want to use the Select tool in the viewer so you can see where the anchor point is. Mess with the controls until the anchor point is in the center of the text. Now you can move the text wherever you like. In a minute, I'll reposition it to the center, which is 0, 0. Now search for the shake effect in the effects panel. Grab it and drag it onto either the new text layer on the timeline or the effects tab in the controls panel. If we scrub through, you will see that the text has a nice shake to it. I will now position it to the center. Now we can make the text grow at the start by changing the scale property. Click the round button at the start. This will enable keyframing, so that the value changes over time rather than being a constant. Change the size to 0. As you can see, it has added a keyframe. Move forward a couple frames. I am going to go to 3 seconds and then change the value of the scale to 100%. As you can see, it animates smoothly between the two keyframes. Now we want to add some music. Go to the media panel and click import. Grab a piece of music that you like and drag it into the panel. Now drag it onto the timeline, and as you can see, Hitfilm has added the music. This is the intro, as it will be when I've stopped just before a beat, so that we can add a pulse kind of effect. Go to the scale again, open it in the controls panel and change the size to 120%. Now move back a couple of frames using the comma key and change it to 100. This will make sure that instead of animating between the last keyframe and now, it will go straight like a pulse. Now do the same on the other side. Now as you can see, it will pop. As you can see, it popped nicely. Now, you want to cut the end of the intro so that it's not too long. I'm just going to check so that I don't cut out the keyframes. Use the slice tool and click on the layer that you want to cut. In this case, it's all of them. Use the select tool again and click all the layers that you don't need, and press delete. Once you've done this, you're pretty much done. All you need to do is to export it to wherever you like. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.